tour at Davao's Cayetano Mall for the meet and greet activity, thankfully ay nagkaroon ako ng chance para magpahinga before the main show. I want to give a great performance kaya it's time to energize muna. Globe is having the Super Party concert to promote its prepaid services. I'll be performing 8 songs at sana'y ma-appreciate ng audience ang mga kakantahin ko.
The preparation is really hectic. Very short span din yung preparation. Very pressured kami dito because the expectations are really high. Some sleepless nights. We will not settle for anything less. It's a Sarah Geronimo concert, so we're getting the best deck in Davao to help us to make sure that we satisfy the requirement of Sarah, especially since we're expecting a really huge crowd.
Ito na, syempre, yung stage para na hindi na pa-sweet, pang performance na yung pang todo na talaga. Brown side, copper, magenta, yung mga usual colors na nilalagay ko sa kanya. Mas maraming curls, tsaka mas mahabang hair, para pag gumagalaw siya sa concert niya, mas gumagalaw yung hair, mas bouncy tingnan. So mas full and curls. Si Sarah kasi, siya lang yung parang feeling ko sa face niya. Kahit gawin mo sobrang simple, parang sweet lang, bagay pa rin sa kanya. Kahit gawin ko rin siyang pang concert makeup na dark, bagay pa din sa kanya. So yung na yun, yung extreme nun, parang yung carry niya pa rin.
Sa University of Mindanao, dito sa Matina. Mindanao, Matina. Ayun. Malapit na po mag-start yung aking first set. 4 songs po yun. Tapos, pagkatapos po na babalik po ako for another set, another 4 songs.
The concert is called Super Party. This is the concert of Sarah Geronimo with Nicky Hill. March 4 here in Davao City at the UM Matina Gym. Davao is one of our very important markets in the Philippines. That's why kasi we always bring naman shows in different parts of the country. But for Davao City, we know that to make it really special, we have to bring Sarah Geronimo, Globe's endorser, to this city.
Si Sarah kasi pagkausap mo parang akala mo parang siyang sobrang soft. Pero pag nakita mo siya on stage, she's a different sa iba. Nagiging siya, parang my God, ito ba si Sarah? Pero pag pag wala off stage, parang lang siya, natatransform siya pag nasa stage na siya performing.
Traditionally, ang events dito sa Davao, challenge kasi I think, ewan ko, basta iba yung market dito eh. Pero ngayon, nandito sa San Jeronimo, sobrang dami ng tao. As in, nakakagulat. Isa to sa mga pinakamaraming, isa to sa mga most attended Globe Prepaid concerts na ginawa ko with Globe.
Pagka wala pang makeup si Sarah, ito lang up to now. Pag may-makeup ang ko na siya ng pang-concert, nakapag-bihis na siya, bigla ako starstruck sa kanya. I don't know, lagi up to now.
Pabalik-balik po kami dito sa Davao at ang nakaka-amaze talaga po every time po na napupunta po kami dito, same pa rin yung reception ng tao, warm pa rin sila at yung kanilang applause talaga very nakaka-overwhelm po talaga.